Here we'll show you the versatile design possibilities of the Eukula Oil system. To illustrate this, several planks of the same pre-finished wood floor are treated with different Eukula products. On the first plank, solvent-free Eukula Oil 1FS is applied directly onto the untreated wood with a flexible spatula. The wood is impregnated and its grain is enhanced. Afterwards, it is polished out with a white pad, and subsequently excess oil is taken up with a clean cloth. The difference is already clearly recognizable in comparison. Unlike the first application, the next plank is treated with water before being oiled. In this way, the pores open and the impregnation can penetrate deep down into the wood. The result is a much better impregnation and an even stronger shade of the grain is achieved. As with the first plank, Eukula Oil 1FS is applied again, polished, and excess oil is removed. Thanks to the pre-treatment with water, not only is the color enhancement increased, but also the oiled surface is now considerably more resistant against stains from water and other liquids. This wood floor is treated with euku oak iron conditioner before being oiled. This natural water-based lye blackens the tannins in the wood and waters the floor at the same time in preparation. The working process is simple. The oak iron conditioner is applied to the large floor area with an aquatop roller. Due to the pre-treatment with the conditioner, the wood floor absorbs the oil especially well, similar to the pre-treatment with water shown earlier. The Eukula Oil 1FS is now applied again with a flexible spatula and worked into the wood. The grain of the wood floor is now highly contrasted and the color shade is considerably darker due to treatment with oak iron conditioner. With Eukula color oils, you can design wood floors in all manner of different colors. For example, here the dark shade of the color mocha is used, at first without pre-watering. The solvent-free Eukula color oil is absorbed well into the fibers and is easy to work with. When comparing the wood beforehand and afterwards, the enhanced coloration is clearly recognizable. In order to highlight the difference, now you can see the same color oil applied, but this time with pre-watering. Each of the Eukula color oils is very suitable for the colored basic impregnation of all wood, parquet and cork floors. When compared directly, the wood floor is even better colored and the grain more strongly enhanced. One special feature of the innovative Eukula oil system is that all color shades can be sealed with the water-based lacquers of the Strato system from Eukula. Here, the especially wear-resistant two-part lacquer Strato Extreme 473 is used. This special water lacquer for wood and cork floors provides optimal protection for your wood floor, ensuring the highest wear resistance. Finally, you can again see an overview of the various possibilities to design your floor using the Eukula systems. Whether you want to emphasize color elements or would simply like to protect your wood floor perfectly, Eukula offers you the proper solution. Eukula, the brand for wood and cork floors.